Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not compatible. First, ensure your device meets Roblox's minimum system requirements, such as having at least 4 GB of RAM and a processor from the year 2005 or newer. Next, verify your operating system is fully updated, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or a mobile platform. Finally, check for any pending Roblox application updates in your App Store or launcher to ensure you're running the latest version. These initial checks are crucial for a smooth experience. Moving on, outdated software can often cause compatibility issues. It's vital to update your graphics card drivers to their latest versions, as this significantly impacts game performance and stability. Also, confirm your web browser, like Chrome or Firefox, is current, as Roblox uses it for launching games. Temporarily disabling conflicting background applications or antivirus software can also help, as they sometimes interfere with Roblox's operation. This step can resolve many common problems. If the problem persists, a clean reinstallation is often the best solution. Begin by completely uninstalling Roblox from your device through your system's control panel or Applications folder. After uninstallation, clear your web browser's cache and cookies to remove any corrupted data. Then, download and reinstall Roblox directly from the official website. This process ensures you have a fresh, uncorrupted installation, often resolving stubborn compatibility errors and getting you back into the game. For more persistent issues, consider advanced troubleshooting. You can try running Roblox in compatibility mode for an older operating system, like Windows 7 or 8, by right-clicking the executable. Also, adjust your display scaling settings to exactly 100%, as higher scaling can sometimes cause visual glitches or compatibility problems. If all these steps fail, don't hesitate to contact Roblox support. They can provide personalized assistance and deeper insights into your specific situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.